Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, do subscribe to my channel. So today in this video, I'm gonna be creating this stunning makeup look for wedding functions using affordable makeup product under rupees 1000. So I've already prepped my skin, so I'm gonna start with this Flicka Cosmetic moisturizing primer. So first I'll apply on the one side of my face so that you can clearly see the difference. Now can you see that this side of my face look more hydrated and smooth compared to the other side? This one product instantly gives you a very glowy skin. It blurs out the pores and gives you a perfect makeup base. Next I'm using this Inside Cosmetic color corrector. I'm using this orange corrector on my dark spot and pigmentation. So after applying the orange corrector, use a wet beauty sponge to blend it. So next I'm using this Mars Cancel concealer. This concealer matches my skin tone. So I'm applying it on the areas where I have applied the orange corrector. This step will give you your own original shade. After applying the concealer, just blend it with a beauty blender. For foundation, I'm going in with this PAC HD liquid foundation. इसका coverage भी बहुत अच्छा है और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा affordable है. I've used very less foundation because I like minimal makeup look, and you can clearly see how quickly it's blending on the skin and giving such a beautiful flawless base. So if you want a product that perform like a high-end product, that too in a very affordable price, then you should go with this one. So next for the blush, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Cream blush. It's a very beautiful floral shade. So if you want a lifted look, then apply the blush on the higher of your cheekbone. I'm just going to blend the blush on the upward direction ताकि एक lifted look मिले. If I talk about the blush, it's a very creamy blush and इसका pigmentation बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Now for contour, I'm using this Hilary Rhoda contour stick. I'm just applying the contour on my cheeks, nose and a little bit on the forehead to give a very defined look. Just blend the contour on the upward direction and blend it very nicely ताकि कोई भी harsh line ना दिखे. Now for concealer, I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer in the brightening shade. I'll just apply it under my eyes, around my mouth, in between my forehead and on my eyelid. Now don't blend the concealer immediately. Let it sit for 2 minutes. While my concealer is setting, I'm just gonna do my eyebrow. For that, I'm using Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 gel eyeliner and eyebrow filler. After filling the eyebrows, just brush your eyebrows so that it look more natural. Now the concealer is set, I'm going to use this blending brush from Mars Cosmetic to blend the concealer, and then quickly I'm going to set everything in place with this Swiss Beauty loose powder. I'm just going to set my under eyes and smile line ताकि makeup में कोई भी crease ना आए और makeup set रहे. For eye makeup, I'm using this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. So first I'm taking this kind of pink shade and applying it on all over my eyelid. I'm using this shade as a transition shade. Next I'm using this brown shade on the outer corner to add a depth, and then I'm using the same brown shade on the lower lash line. Then I'm using this shimmer shade and applying it on the center of my eyelid. Now every eye makeup is incomplete without the eyeliner, so for that I'm using the Lakme liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna draw a very soft eyeliner which is perfect for wedding function. Then I'm using this eyelash curler. I like to hold my lashes for a second and then I go in with the mascara. For that I'm using the Glam 21 mascara. So if you want, you can go in with the false lashes also. Lastly, I'm gonna add a shimmer shade on the inner corner of my eyes. For the lip combo, first I'm going in with the Swiss Beauty lip liner to outline my lips. For the lipstick, I'm going in with the Pilgrim Liquid Matte Lipstick. The shade doesn't look that pretty, but when I pair with the dark brown lip liner, it looks so good. So for the final touch up, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetic 3-in-1 contour, highlight and blush palette. Just add the highlighter on your high points and you're gonna glow. So yeah, that was it. This was my final look. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel.